Inflation, wars, a lack of food, supply, weak government, and a variety of other issues have made products highly expensive around the world. You're in tremendous trouble if you only have one source of income these days. It's time to step outside of your comfort zone and create a second or even third source of income in order to stay afloat. If everyone could earn more money, it would be beneficial to everyone. Consider how much better your life would be if you had an extra $300 to $1,000 every month. You could easily pay off your college loans, pay for energy, groceries, and other living expenditures, and take a weekend getaway to re-energize and relax. You might also put money aside and invest it in assets such as stocks, cryptocurrency, or other investments to generate passive income. So, what are the most promising internet side hustles for 2022? Don't worry, I've put up a list of the best online side hustle ideas to help you get started earning money right immediately. What's even better? To get started, most of these solutions require little to no prior expertise or abilities. But first, a warm welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and turn on notifications to receive notifications whenever a new video is released. If you have any suggestions, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a remark in the box below. Here are the best side hustles to start in 2022 if you want to generate passive money. Ready? Let's get started. Number 1. Freelance writing. Anyone who enjoys writing and wants to make money doing it should consider freelance writing. Fiverr, Upwork, and Contena are just a few of the many venues you can utilize to find clients. You can start earning money by writing articles, blog posts, ebooks, and more once you've secured a few clients. The amount of money you can make as a freelance writer is determined by the number of factors, including your level of expertise and the type of writing you produce. However, if you are ready to work hard and put in the time, you can advance your career and work as a digital content designer or content manager for a variety of companies. Number 2. Become a content editor. This one is similar to the previous one, except you won't be writing the content yourself. Instead, you'll be correcting someone else's. You can become a content editor and start being paid to read and edit written content if you're a perfectionist by nature, with good writing skills and a keen eye for detail. Your duty will be to correct any spelling or grammatical issues, clean up the text, ensure that it follows your client's style rules, and prepare it for publication in general. It is possible that you'll be asked to optimize it for search and post it to your client's website as well. It may appear complicated, but everything can be learned very quickly. A lot of content authors and editors are self-taught. Again, the steps are similar to those for becoming a content writer. To show clients, you'll need some samples of your work, so start by putting together a portfolio. In the beginning, you can utilize blog pieces that you've written, edited, and published as samples. Then expand your portfolio to include paid work once you've landed a few jobs. Content editors can work for publishers and media firms, as well as freelance marketplaces like Upwork and Fiverr. Number 3. Become a virtual assistant. Working as a virtual assistant allows you to put your organization skills to good use. Many businesses and individuals are looking for remote workers to assist them with their tasks. Personal duties such as arranging flights or lodging, as well as work-related tasks such as responding to company emails, managing meetings and events, and maintaining calendars and timetables are examples. Virtual assistant positions often don't require any prior expertise, so it's a wonderful side hustle for virtually anyone. You can look for virtual assistant positions on LinkedIn, Indeed, or even do a fast Google search to see what comes up. Number 3. Social media manager. Offer your Insta-worthy content creation skills to other companies instead of spending your leisure time aimlessly scrolling around social media. Start with lesser local businesses or startups that don't have a strong social media presence yet. This can be a fun and rewarding side venture to get into. And you know how to run social campaigns, develop interesting content, and communicate well. If you don't have any prior experience with social media management, you can look for free online courses that will teach you everything you need to know. And if it doesn't help you find a job right now, it will undoubtedly teach you how to promote yourself better on social media in the future, making finding new jobs a breeze. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular and lucrative method of earning money by advertising the products of others. Companies such as Amazon, ClickBank, CJ Affiliate, and others provide affiliate programs. Then on your social media, blog, or other online channels, you may begin promoting their products. You'll get paid if someone clicks on your affiliate link and buys something. The amount of money you can make with affiliate marketing is determined by a variety of factors, including the product you're pushing and the firm with which you're affiliated. However, if you put in the effort and are intelligent about it, affiliate marketing can provide a full-time income. Number 5. Become a proofreader. Proofreading is an excellent side job for folks who enjoy reading and have a keen eye for detail. With so much digital content being created every day, proofreading services are in high demand. Proofreading jobs can pay anything from $20 to hundreds of dollars, with more prestigious assignments paying thousands of dollars. Proofreaders are usually paid by job and work as freelancers. Proofreading tasks can be found on sites like Clickwork, Upwork, and Fiverr. Sign up for a freelance marketplace like Fiverr or Upwork to get started. Fill out your profile with your relevant experience and talents, and you should be able to get work in no time. Number 7. Become a transcriptionist. If you don't want to make your own YouTube videos, you might work as a transcriptionist or write subtitles for movies. As a transcriptionist, you can work from home and earn money while watching clips and episodes of video content. All you have to do now is transcribe each clip's audio. It's a fairly simple side hustle with the potential to earn roughly $10 plus each hour. To begin, register with a transcription platform such as rev.com and complete the application process. You can start taking paid tasks if your transcription abilities are up to par. Number 8. Become a translator. If you know another language, it's rather simple to find internet occupations that will help you supplement your income. There is always a demand for translation services, no matter what language you speak. The majority of translators' internet work consists of translating web content for organizations trying to expand and reach new populations. It's a fairly simple method to make some additional money online if you're fluent in both English and another language. The amount you're paid depends on the languages you speak, but most translators earn around $20 per hour. To begin, create a profile on Upwork and Fiverr, for example. Look at jobs and submit bids on projects that you believe are good matches for your skill set. And that concludes our list of the best side hustle ideas for making money on the side. As you can see, there are a plethora of respectable online and offline options to supplement your income, so pick one. Luckily, in this list, you found a side hustle that complements you. Give this video a thumbs up if you loved it and if you want to see more. Also, click the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon to be notified whenever a new video is released. Let me know if you're starting any of these side hustles and if you have any advice for making money online in the comments section. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and I hope to see you in the next one.